Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're the family manager, so sign in now and head straight to Settings Parental Controls/Family Management. Make sure the Ps4 is online and you have your PSN password ready. This lets the console fetch current family data. Once in Family Management, choose the member you want to change. Don't pause for setup prompts. Enter verification if requested, then select the account to manage. This starts the removal process immediately, so you won't waste time toggling unrelated menus. Now select the specific family member and open their profile details. This is where the removal controls live. Choose Remove from Family or, if you prefer, change their account type to an adult account when eligible. Either path detaches them from your family management. Expect identity or password prompts. Complete those to proceed. If parental restrictions block changes, temporarily lift them, confirm the removal choice, and wait for the system to process. You'll see a confirmation once the member is queued for removal. Finish by confirming the removal and then restart the Ps4 to refresh account status. Make sure the removed user can sign in independently on the console. If you're transferring control, consider deactivating the primary Ps4 for that account under Account Management. If removal fails, a common fix is to sign in as the affected user to approve changes or run a password reset and try again. If you still hit errors, gather account details before contacting PlayStation support for account verification and removal assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.